Best deals.
1. Coconut scraper. Tailor the speed to your specific needs, whether you are scraping coconut or juicing citrus fruits. Easily switch between coconut scraping and citrus juicing with one versatile appliance. Attach the spill tray and your chosen attachment to the 2-in-1 coconut scraper and citrus juicer, select the speed, and press the soft touch button to kickstart the appliance for swift and effective scraping or juicing. Ensures efficient and powerful operation, making quick work of coconut scraping and citrus juicing tasks. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Grater. Upgraded stainless steel blade, features razor-sharp, strong teeth for effortless coconut scraping, ensuring durability and long-term performance. Crafted with premium stainless steel, offering rust resistance, long-lasting quality, and high durability. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Coconut scraper. The product features rotatable blades. These blades are sharp enough to easily scrape off the fleshy inside whites of a coconut. The handle is rotatable 360 degrees. Just get a firm grip of it and rotate it with a gentle force to get the function going. The product features a vacuum base. It helps in getting a stable and firm base while working with it and abstains it from slipping off the surface. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Coconut opener. Made of food-grade stainless steel, not easy to rust and non-toxic. Opens coconuts in seconds so you can easily taste the refreshing water inside. Soft silicone on top provides comfort at using the coconut tool. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Coconut slicer. This stainless steel rod grater helps you easily shred coconuts for delicious curries, chutneys, and desserts. The grater features a rust-resistant steel rod for efficient grating with minimal effort. This grater removes the white flesh from brown shells, simplifying preparation. Made from high-quality stainless steel. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Coconut breaker. The water collecting bowl is made up of solid hot rolled steel having 4 mm thickness and 135 mm diameter. The hardened edge cutting blade is made using EN8 grade material with 6 mm thickness and 130 mm length. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Coconut scraper. High quality coconut scraper designed for effortless coconut grating. Premium and durable, built for longevity and everyday kitchen use. Made with polished wooden construction, offering a sturdy and stable foundation for easy grating. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Coconut scraper with seat. After you finish the assembly, the size will be 45.5 x 25 x 44 cm, which is compact and suitable for people who are up to 6 feet tall. To assemble, use 4 screws to tighten to make it sturdy. You can be assured that they are firm and durable. Assembly instruction video is provided for better understanding. The steel foldable blade and plate holder is perfectly positioned in such a way that after usage it can be kept folded inside. Can scrape coconuts quicker and with ease. Just place anywhere on the floor, adjust the plate holding tray and start using. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Coconut scraper. Coconut scrapers are designed to ease the task of extracting coconut flesh. If you use coconut in daily recipes, this tool is must-have for you. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Coconut scraper. The coconut grater is made of food-grade stainless steel, safe and sturdy, 5 knife edges for quick cutting of coconut meat into silk, not only for coconut meat, also work great for cantaloupe or other fruits. You can also use it to remove fish scales, cut vegetables and fruits into silk, or quickly remove their seeds. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Coconut scraper. Highly safe and simple. Operation. High-quality stainless steel blades preventing corrosion and rust. Highly durable. Recommended only for heavy-duty purposes, such as for restaurant, caterings. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Coconut scraper. Optimal torque with CGD mechanism for ideal scraping. Strong, durable ABS body which has high tensile strength and can withstand heavy use. 40% faster scraping, spillage-free collection and CGD mechanism with U-blunt blades. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Coconut meat remover. This coconut meat remover made with a premium stainless steel blade and a durable wooden handle, ensuring longevity and reliability. Designed to effortlessly cut through tough coconut shells and easily scoop out the meat. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Coconut opener tools. Made of food-grade stainless steel, not easy to rust and non-toxic and more environmental. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Coconut scraper. High-strength metal is used to construct the frame. Well-designed frame, it can withstand the force applied during work. Each corner is welded perfectly by the expert welder. A sharp 2 mm thick stainless steel blade helps you to grate faster and easier. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Coconut grater. It comes with a supporting stand on the bottom to ensure stable grating, and it is safe and sturdy to use, specially made for regular home use with food-grade steel. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Husk remover. Construct strong structure, sharp cutting pointer with strong handle, easy to operate and transportable, good finished edges and sharp points, easy to remove coconut husk with less effort. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Coconut breaker. Made from high-quality iron material for long-lasting performance and reliable daily coconut breaking and slicing. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Knife. Made by traditional ironworkers with their own hands for those who want high quality and performance. One of the major benefits of the branded knife is its fabulous finishing and durability. It's durable and sturdy. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Grater. The frame is made of high-strength metal. It can withstand the force applied during work. Each corner is welded perfectly by the expert welder. Can scrape coconuts quicker and with ease. Just attach it to any table and start using it. A sharp stainless steel blade with a thickness of 2 mm helps you grate faster and easier. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Coconut scraper. Hold the half coconut vertically in your hand and press from sides of moving blades and in opposite direction. Move up and down while blade is moving. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Coconut grater is an ideal kitchen tool for getting soft coconut. It was built specifically for Indian kitchens. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle, compact and comfortable grip while using. Product link is given in the 22nd link.